So it's day 3 of the ride and heading to Belur temple. So Belur is around 30 kilometers from Chikkamagaluru. So we thought like let's go there and come. So before going to Belur, we need to have breakfast. So heading to Mayur, there's a famous place called Mayur where we get good coffee. We already had one this trip. So that is where we'll be having our breakfast, coffee, then head to Belur. I've observed something different. Today they have parked bikes on the left and cars on the right, but yesterday it was the opposite side, and day before yesterday it was again this way. So I think there is an alternate day shift between car and bike parking. Dosa, kesari bath, and idli vada. So all looks yummy. Proper traditional Karnataka food. The breakfast is amazing. It's very old, since 1971. Before this ride was planned to Chikkamagaluru, the actual ride plan which we made was the Orissa. It was a complete 6-day itinerary covering places like Chhattisgarh, Chitrakoot in Chhattisgarh, which is a waterfall, and then Devamali, which is a hill station, Puri, Konark, Bhubaneswar, and while return coming back from Vizag. We thought of covering a waterfall, a hill station, temple, beach, and come back. I don't know if it's a coincidence or what. We covered yesterday waterfall, and then we covered hill station kind of weather. In yesterday we went to hilltop, right, the Karnataka's highest peak. Now temple, we thought of covering Puri Konark temple, right? Now we are covering Belur temple. The only thing which we missed is the beach. So it was complete coincidence. So we reached Belur temple. Not much of crowd. So the entrance is massive. Oh, I see a lot of carving on the walls of temple. And this is the history. This temple has more than 5,000, I think more than 1,000 or 5,000 sculptures. It's that rich. Everywhere you see, you find some of the other sculpture on top, on the wall, on the pillars. Everywhere you find something or the other. It's full rich of sculptures. Oh my god, this is amazing. Just watching.
Just watching doesn't make any sense.
So this is the main temple with full of sculptures, but before making this was a temple made as a blueprint with minimal structures and all. So after this, it took 20 years to make this section, the blueprint, and then they made this temple with full of sculptures. This temple took almost 100 years, 3 generations to complete. So there's a lot of things to see in this temple, especially the carvings, the sculptures. I think we can't grasp that all the things which are there inside. We actually took a guide. He has explained us, but in that half of the things were out of my mind. like it went directly out of my mind. I was not able to consume that information. It's so much. The temple is very beautiful. Must visit. This is a resort, Tiger Woods. So it is good, not bad, not great also, because the environment is good, but the rooms were okayish. I'll just show you the pathway to this resort. The pathway is good, the environment is here, it's good. Here we have the bonfire. This right side was our room. Well, time is 2:35 and now we are starting to Hampi. So this is how the way is to the resort. The path is good until and unless there is a rain. If it rains, this complete stretch will be of slush. Then it's very difficult for I think two-wheelers and even four-wheelers also. Once you are out of this, there is a road. Till now we have done almost 150 kilometers from Chikkamagaluru, and we are in Chitradurga, which is also called as City of Fort. On the right side I can see the fort wall on top. Till now we have not taken any break yet. So Hampi is another 150 kilometers, so we came halfway through. Initially it was a bit boring, but since last 50 kilometers it was amazing. A lot of traffic, a lot of what you call overtakes and all those things happened. That's why it was interesting. Hampi Expressway, Solapur Hospet. Oh, okay. Hey, मतलब फर लेने भैया. The sun is very bright. We just stopped for a small break, water break, and we were sweating like anything. It's hot. Not hot in temperature, but we are feeling a bit hot. The sun is getting set on the left, and we have windmills around. So you are seeing in this 360. This is the first trip in which I have kept the Insta 360 on my right. I don't know how the output will be. I used to keep on my left because it's easier for me to operate. On the right it's a bit difficult. I have to see the output. Kranti, come on the side. Yeah, this is the advantage of keeping the Insta on the right. So I can capture myself and my friend who is coming behind. Even on my left I can capture the same thing, but I have to be on the right lane, and now I have to be on my left lane. The biggest advantage comes in when someone is crossing me. That shot will be good, like this. This is lovely. The sunset with windmills. It's next level. We have already booked a hotel. It's not a hotel, it's a homestay resort. No, not a resort, it's a farmhouse. We can say farmhouse, 6 acres of land. So Let's go and see how it is. Sunset ఖతర్నాక్ ఉంది. Beautiful. Stopped here for some transition break after sunset. Actually, transition break is very important to me because it gives a bit of relaxation, and in daytime you have to maintain a speed, and in the night the speeds will vary. The way of riding changes. There will be headlights which get switched on. Our eyes should get adapted. And other thing is, at the time of this transition, right, you find a lot of bugs on the road which come and hit to your vehicle. After the transition break, this is how it looks. Road lit up, off lights on. Oh my god, we didn't expect this. We got a tunnel. Woo-hoo. Wow. Done another checkbox check in this trip. Tunnel road. We didn't expect this. So finally at exactly 7:30 we reached Hampi.